Have you ever wanted to watch your favorite movies and TV shows on your phone, tablet, or laptop? If so, then you need to subscribe to Neon. Neon is a streaming service that offers a wide variety of movies and TV shows, including many popular titles. Neon is available in Nigeria and many other countries around the world. To subscribe to Neon, you will need to create an account. You can do this by going to the Neon website or app and clicking on the Sign Up button. Once you have created an account, you will need to choose a subscription plan. Neon offers 3 different subscription plans: Basic, Standard, and Premium. The Basic plan is the cheapest, but it only allows you to stream on 1 device at a time. The Standard plan allows you to stream on 2 devices at a time, and the Premium plan allows you to stream on 4 devices at a time. Once you have chosen a subscription plan, you will need to pay for your subscription. You can pay for your subscription using a credit card, debit card, or PayPal. Once your payment has been processed, you will be able to start streaming your favorite movies and TV shows on Neon. Here are some additional tips for subscribing to Neon. Make sure you have a good internet connection. Neon requires a high-speed internet connection to stream videos. Consider using a VPN. If you are traveling outside of Nigeria, you may need to use a VPN to access Neon. Download the Neon app. The Neon app is available for iOS and Android devices. Connect your Neon account to other devices. You can connect your Neon account to your TV, game console, or other streaming device. Subscribing to Neon is a great way to watch your favorite movies and TV shows on your phone, tablet, or laptop. With that said, thanks for watching.